What up? Back with another shooting video. Shit, I'm gonna be taking my Savage Model 110 243 out today. Budget gun, budget scope. Got a Nikon buck mark on it. Got this thing on eBay for 150 bucks. Shooting the cheapest ammo they got at Walmart, which is gonna be some Federal Power Shock 100 grains. And we're gonna see how effective we are at longer ranges, and we're going to show that you can kill deer on a budget setup and have a good time doing it. All right, we're on the road, about to go pick up Grumpy.
Yeah,
Back in the day,
that's true.
we didn't call it gay.
What'd you call it?
Just play. It's just like feels like it's turned your asshole inside out, and then like you're like, oh, this doesn't work. Why is it not coming out a little bit?
Oh, fuck yeah.
You know, there's greens and stuff.
Yep.
I believe you stay to the right there.
Look at that burn.
Yeah, they burnt the fuck out of this place, dude.
Exactly.
This one drops.
No, exactly.
Like you said, up on this hill right here. There.
Yeah, that'd be a perfect one.
That's another 50 yards.
Yep,
right?
get it about 350 right there. All right, we're about to get shooting. So we got a few targets out here. We got one right about there, 200, one there at 250, out there, 300. We got one over here on that landing at 350, and then a couple more, 400, 450, and 500.
Are you shooting the right one or the left one?
Top right.
Low 1 inch to the left, a half an inch.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, two groups at 200. It's actually not bad. I think I fucking pulled that one. This is my 243. This I'm shooting cheap Federal 100 grains, and this I'm shooting the ELD-X. So sweet, 243 at 200 yards. I like it. Oh! Grumpy, what kind of gun are you shooting?
Gunny shot.
No, what kind of gun are you shooting?
This here is Arc Nucleus 6.5 by 284.
Hell yeah.
About 2,910 feet per second, 140 grade Burger VLD.
Let's fucking go. All right, shot a couple pretty good groups of 300. That's mine. 243. We have a pretty severe wind going, as you can hear. That's Grumpy's with his 6.5. Just like that. All right, move her on out. See what's up. This was 324 yards. 376, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here's our groups. We got my group at 375 with the 243. Still got a lot of wind drift, and I just need to make those adjustments. I'm shooting a little low, so we'll go account for that, shoot another group. That's Grumpy's 2 shots. Same thing, he's pushed by the wind a little bit. Not as bad, but just a little bit low, so we'll go make our adjustments, shoot another group on that. All right, let's put a couple back at 375. Ugh. Okay. Ready?
Yep. Oh,
Well,
no, I was looking at the right one.
nice.
You must have hit it because I didn't see no dirt.
That's good. Oh, I might have pulled that one.
I didn't see no dirt.
Well, that's good.
All right. 427 it is.
Damn, Grumpy. You're looking extra thick. That pose you're in is pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm fucking hot.
I'm dying hot.
That felt good, but... Ugh! All right, that's our second group. That's Grumpy's 2 shots at this
Yeah.
375. Those are my 3. Kind of got it. Getting a little closer. Looking pretty good. That's a screw hole. That's a screw hole. These ladies are always talking about their screw holes. Oh yeah, that cinder block's going down.
About 520.
Gotcha.
So we're going for the cinder block.
Cinder block. Cinder block all day.
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
I gotta go to video.
Oh.
Just missed it.
To the right, huh?
To the left.
Just left. All right, I got one last shot in me.
About 4 inches. Well, right over the top of it. That was dead center. It was dead center, but right over the top.
Okay. Oh, you motherfucker.
Yeah.
God dang it.
Just
All right.
to the right.
Well, I'll go shoot it. I'll go shoot it at fucking 100 yards. I don't care.
There you go.
Damn, that's straight down. Wouldn't want to fall off of that. That waterfall. Imagine just sliding down that thing like a water slide.
Yeah, so you break your leg at the bottom.
Yeah.
Way steeper than this right here.
Uh-huh.
Fucking, like, 150, 200 yards.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna get a video of you. You got any fucking stepfatherly advice?
Always looking for you, Dick it.